Okay, hello traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US inflation, about Forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, US equities. Hello traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US inflation, about Forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, US equities. Hello traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US
if you can hear me, guys, please type on the chat.
Okay, US equities. Hello traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US
if you can hear me, guys, please type on the chat.
Okay, US equities. Hello traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US
if you can hear me, guys, please type on the
Forex
chat.
pairs. Okay, US equities. Hello traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US
if you can hear me, guys, please type on the
Forex
chat.
pairs. Okay, US equities. Hello traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US
if you can hear me, guys, please type on the
Forex
chat.
pairs. Okay, US equities. Hello traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US
if you can hear me, guys, please type on the
Forex
chat.
pairs. Okay, US equities. Hello traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US
if you can hear me, guys, please type on the
Forex
chat.
pairs. Okay, US equities. Hello traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US
if you can hear me, guys, please type on the
Forex
chat.
pairs. Okay, US equities. Hello traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US
if you can hear me, guys, please type on the
Forex
chat.
pairs. Okay, US equities. Traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US
If you can hear me, guys, please type on the
Forex
chat.
pairs. Okay, US equities. Traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US
If you can hear me, guys, please type on the
Forex
chat.
pairs. Okay, US equities. Traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US
If you can hear me, guys, please type on the
Forex
chat.
pairs. Okay, US equities. Traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US
If you can hear me, guys, please type on the
Forex
chat.
pairs. Okay, US equities. Traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando. It's not Orlando, it's Olympio. Hi, how are you? So today I will talk about the US
If you can hear me, guys, please type on the
Forex
chat.
pairs. Okay, US equities. Traders, advanced live. Hi Orlando.
Okay, can you hear me now? Please confirm. Confirm, guys. Okay, can you hear me now? Not clear. Please confirm why, guys. But yeah, I'm using one, guys. A different new
Okay, so I'm using a new workstation, unfortunately. So about euro Japanese yen, maybe it was a mistake today to take only 52. There is noise in your background still. I don't know why. I don't know why, because everything better. Okay, hi, very clear now. Okay, thank you guys. So as I've said, about euro Japanese yen, euro Japanese yen, unfortunately, maybe it was sound is clear now. Okay, thank you guys. So unfortunately, maybe it was a mistake. Yeah, of course it was a mistake, maybe to take only 52 pips on this setup on euro Japanese yen after I've decided to move my stop loss at break even. Unfortunately, but because please take a look here, it has sound is clear. It is correct now, no noise in my side. Thanks, Advanced Lives. Okay, thank you. Okay, so personally I've decided to manage my position here after reaching short-term demand zones and downside obstacles before this rebound, because I thought that maybe the price will come back, will turn against me, will approach and reach my stop loss at break even, but the price continued to drop. But it's fine. I've took 52 pips on this market, and yeah, personally I will look for new trades, new setups. Yeah, because this was a really good strategy, good trade. It has reached the supply here. I talked about this supply zone also yesterday during my or actually in my daily video analysis, and I've said that here is my supply zone, my selling area, my sell area, sell zone. So the price only reached the supply zone, sell off here, and on lower time frames, yeah, it has dropped it below the former, maybe below this former low, temporary rebound, and then sell off. Yeah, I will take a look also on yen basket, really quick, yen basket, and then we'll talk about if you have questions, guys. Also, it's very important if you have questions, because also today when I've decided to manage my position, the price reached 81.28 here on the yen basket, this static resistance. Okay, and only because the price, the yen basket dropped it here below the medium line. If the yen basket it would have stayed here to retest, then it a sell off, it would have been cards. So that's why I've managed my position today. But yeah, maybe I should have let it ride, because my stop loss was I should have keep it, only because my stop loss was at break even. Okay, my stop loss was at break even. And yeah, it would have been really good, because as you can see here, the price is almost to hit my my take profit, and personally I've had a take profit here at 202 pips. Okay, let's invite more members. Okay, you can still join my webinar. Advanced Life, it is safe to buy now GBP Japanese yen. So in less than 4 minutes we'll have the CPI, the consumer price index, core consumer price index, month over month, year over year, core CPI, unemployment claims. So I believe that the US economic data could have a big impact also on on the Japanese yen, so that's why no, right now no. I'll wait to see how it will react also here, Euro Japanese yen, because it could hit this major demand zone, okay, and then I will look maybe for potential longs, maybe, okay, probably I will look for potential longs, okay. Here on Euro Japanese yen, after this massive sell-off, maybe I will catch also on a new leg higher, an upwards movement here on this market, okay, after that sell-off. Let's take a look here on British pound Japanese yen on 1 hour, okay. I have this former low. I have this former low here, 158.50. So demand zone, but only if it stays above 158.50, then maybe I will look for potential longs here in the short term on lower time frames. But right now, less than 2 minutes before the consumer price index, before the US data, and I believe that yeah, we'll have the US data will have a big impact, and the most likely, we already have a strong rebound here. Let's take a look again. Yen basket again, so probably we'll have also sharp movements here on yen basket. That's why it's premature. I don't want to do anything before the US economic data. 81.95, less than 1 minute, guys. So let's take a look also on the DXY. Why don't you trade US 500 inflation data today? Because Sorin, hi, how are you? Because anything could happen, okay? Sharp movements in both directions, maybe today. Let's refresh the economic calendar as well, because we'll have the economic data soon, and this is the thing. In my opinion, if the US will report lower inflation, then maybe the US dollar could depreciate, could drop, and let's take a look. Dollar index. I believe that we already have the economic data. Let's refresh the economic calendar here. So the consumer price index, as expected, 6.5 as well here. Consumer price index year over year, in line with expectations. Let's wait also for and the core CPI month over month. One moment, 0.3. So in line with expectations data. Sharp movements already here on should we keep the order, or should we keep the GBP Japanese yen order? Personally, I don't have an order in British pound Japanese yen. Let's take a look on our real account to see, maybe I don't know. Let's see. Let's take a look. So we have British pound Japanese yen. It was a sell limit. The price dropped. Failed maybe to come back towards this imbalance here, towards the entry here. So you'll have to wait for Orlando, because it's not my pending order, it's not my trade, it's Orlando's trade. So you'll have to wait for Orlando's update, because he will come back with his update. And if you want to follow his trades, or his management, his trades, please wait for his update, okay? Not responding to my question, sir. What question? Sorry, I had to take a look on charts. Tomisin, hi, I have completed all the requirements to join our free VIP channel. I've told you earlier that we don't have a free VIP channel, okay? Yet I have not received any response from your mail, sir. So as I've said, we don't have a free VIP channel. Did you? You have to read that disclaimer. Okay, you'll have to read that that disclaimer. One moment. So please take a look here. Yeah, if you want to join, yeah, the VIP groups, you'll have to buy a subscription. This is the only way. Okay, thank you guys. So Sorin, okay, thank you. Okay, so DXY, sharp movements in both directions, okay, in line with expectations, data. So the consumer price index 0.1% drop as expected. Consumer price index year over year 6.5% as expected. So lower inflation. Core CPI, yeah, registered 0.3% growth, but yeah, I paid via your link to 8 cap. So please, if you have this kind of questions, I'm not working as a support agent, okay? I'm only here as a trader, so please wait for support, okay? They will sort you out, they will help you. So please wait. If you sent an email to support, please wait. Or if you didn't send an email to support, to our support, please do it and wait for support. They will reply, they will help you out, they will sort you out, okay? So yeah, thank you guys. Okay, so yeah, massive sell-off. Yeah, unfortunately I had to answer to those questions, and this is the thing here. Yeah, we are missing maybe important moves into the markets only because I have to reply to this kind of questions. That's why you'll have to send an email to support. I'm not here as a support agent, guys, okay? I'm here as a trader, as a market analyst. So I'm looking right now for potential dollar index or actually US dollar shorts, only because US dollar shorts, only because the DXY crashed. But maybe right now it's too late because we already had that momentum. Yeah, Euro USD, British pound, the US dollar. Yeah, yesterday I deleted that and yeah, I believe that yen, I believe that yen rallies right now. The Japanese yen continues to rally, so that's why Euro Japanese yen, yeah, it has extended. The GBP Japanese yen, it has invalidated that demand zone, demand area, and probably it will drop deeper only because the US dollar depreciates right now. And the Japanese yen rallied. Also, I believe that gold, we had, please take a look. I will delete all my drawings for now in gold here, because please take a look what happened. So that's why it's risky to trade before such an impact, high impact event. Okay, massive drop and then boom. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, lower inflation reported by the CPI and the month-over-month consumer price index year over year, and this is the thing, guys. Yeah, sharp movements in both directions, and that's why it's really hard to trade, or that's why it's risky to place a trade before the economic data. Yeah, please take a look what happened here. And yeah, right now gold and silver rallied because lower inflation, guys, will help the Federal Reserve. Will help the Federal Reserve to deliver only a 50 basis points rate hike in the next monetary policy meeting, or maybe, I don't know, maybe a 25 basis point rate hike. Okay, so that's why right now the US dollar depreciates, and that's why silver and gold jumped higher, okay, in the short term. So maybe I'll wait here in silver for something, because I talked about silver in my In my video analysis today, and I've talked about this demand zone, I've talked about resistance levels, and I've said that probably a valid breakout here and that invalidated and taking out maybe this supply zone could signal potential further growth. Okay. I don't know what happened with my Firefox here. Sorry about that. So, Tomisin, I have sent mail already, no response since. So please understand that there are a lot of questions, a lot of clients, a lot of messages, maybe hundreds and thousands of messages, emails. So please be patient. They will reply, they will help you, they will sort you out. Okay, so please be patient. It's not my company. Okay, I'm here only as a trader. Okay, as a market analyst. So yeah, US oil as well. US oil, yeah. Today also I've talked about US oil in my market breakdown video, and I've said that also US oil could extend its growth. Yeah, I've sent and I've shared my the market breakdown also in the free group, in the VIP group as well, and I've said that it could extend its growth, but yeah, I've decided not to place a trade before the US inflation data. Right now, sharp movements in both directions also here, but the bias is still bullish, and yeah, maybe I'm still looking for potential longs. Maybe temporary retreat, retest, or consolidation accumulation could still bring us longs, new long opportunities here in US oil. Does the free VIP thing work at all? Reviews have been really bad. I'm really skeptical about even joining with the paid version. We don't have a free VIP group, guys. We don't have a free VIP group. We have only free groups, okay? Free Forex groups, free swing trading groups, free swing trading group, also free crypto channel, but not free VIP groups. Okay, if you want to join the VIP groups, okay, the Forex VIP group, the swing trading VIP group, the crypto VIP group, you'll have to buy a subscription. This is the only way. Okay, and don't forget that the only way to communicate with us is if you'll send an email to support. Okay. Murad, British pound Japanese yen was not triggered, right? Yeah. That trade didn't reach the entry. Yeah. Did not reach the entry. I believe that we have, yeah, unfortunately, I believe that I have also some, one moment, because it seems that I have technical problems. As I said, I'm using a new, about the quality of my stream. Yeah, I'll have to make some changes here. So should we cancel it or still wait? I don't know. It's not my trade, so yeah, wait for. You'll have to wait for Orlando's update. Okay. But your website advertises founding of a trade for VIP access. Yeah, also. Yeah, guys, also if you'll open an account at an affiliate brokerage company, then maybe, yeah, you can access the VIP group as well. But don't forget that narrow that you'll have to trade on that account. Okay, not only to open a trade and then yeah, you'll have to trade. Yeah, so that's why you need to send an email to support. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately the quality of my my session is really bad. Unfortunately I have to change the settings, but only if I'll close my streaming software. So I will stay here, but very fast. I will have to change something. Yeah, unfortunately the quality is still bad. Sir, any opinion on which position to take, dollar up or down? No, I will not tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay. I'm not a financial advisor. So if I'll have something also on US oil, on the dollar on the US oil, or on the yen basket, or on the Japanese yen, I will come back later with my trades. Unfortunately the quality is really bad here for me, and probably I will have to change the settings or something. Yeah. Okay, I believe that we have a better quality right now, but yeah, I will still have to make some changes for the next webinar tomorrow. So let's take a look. I will use again this indicator, dollar index. So dollar index, and if this will be guys, if this will be only a pin bar here, but right now no, I don't have I will need also confirmation, but right now, because we had sharp movements in both directions, probably a new higher high here or something could signal a potential larger rebound, but right now the pressure is still high, and that's why the US dollar depreciates. So probably I will still look for potential US dollar shorts, maybe after temporary retreats, maybe here on Euro USD, for example, on lower time frames. If the price will come back down to retest the immediate demand zones, maybe I will look for potential new longs. Okay, for potential long opportunities. Asian DXY seems to be on yeah, free fall. Yeah, this is the thing I've talked about, the consumer price index, core CPI, because yeah, the consumer price index month over month, consumer price index year over year reported lower inflation, and that's why right now the dollar index extended its sell-off. But please take a look here. That's why it's risky to trade right before, because we had major and strong and sharp movements in both directions before the inflation data. Okay, so yeah, that's why it's risky. I'll wait maybe for temporary retreats here before I will look for potential new longs. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I will have to do something with my streaming software, unfortunately. Yeah. I will have to run some tests before using the software again. Yeah, unfortunately I had to use a different workstation. Also in gold, probably I'll wait for something for retreats, okay, because right now, no, I don't want to sell it or something. Maybe I'll wait for retreats, maybe towards this zone before extending its growth. Also maybe on silver. Yeah, on silver I've said that maybe after taking out the resistance could extend its growth. US oil, yeah, on US oil, sharp movements in both directions. That's why this is the reason why I didn't place it maybe a buy stop here, because I've talked about an upside continuation here in US oil in my market breakdown video today. Yeah. Bitcoin, let's take a look. I believe that we had, yeah, sharp movements also in Bitcoin. 4 hour, first of all, 4 hour, because it's almost to hit this downtrend line here. So we are maybe in a resistance area, resistance zone here in Bitcoin. So 18,373 and the downtrend line, former high, test retest here, bearish pattern could signal a potential downside movement and sell off, but right now the pressure is still high, and yeah, probably if it stays here above 18,106, very breakout could signal potential further growth also here in Jan, the RSI is on overbought right now. I think we can have potential short opportunity on gold and other dollar pairs. Personally, I'm not using RSI here. This is Williams percent error. So, yeah, personally, I'm not trading only based on RSI or stochastic or Williams or yeah. Personally, I have and I'm using Confluence trading strategy. Yeah. So yeah, also this indicator is overbought, but as long as I don't have if I don't have a setup to trade, I don't want you to go short. I'll keep an eye here on 1899, because here, if it fails to make a new higher high, or if it signals a potential sell-off, yeah, I will take the trade. But right now, no, I don't want to sell it, because it could take it out and it could continue to grow. Where should I put my stop loss? Okay, yeah. Where should I put my stop loss if I'll sell here at market? Only because we have an overbought RSI or Williams or stochastic, or yeah. Where should I put it? Here? Should I sell here and put my stop loss here? No. Okay. Okay, guys. Only because I have these technical problems, and I said that maybe this will be a quick session today. I'm not feeling okay. Maybe I will end this session and webinar, and I will come back later with new high probability trade. Yeah. High probability trade, maybe on US dollar, on Japanese yen, or maybe on metals, or on US oil. US 100, please take a look. Yeah, sharp movements also here. That's why it's risky, guys, to place a trade right before a high impact event, because anything could happen, and these sharp movements in both directions could close your trades and your setups. Okay, and you can placing trades, yeah, before right before high impact events. It's burning money, in my opinion, because there are a lot of opportunities in the market every day. Also after these high impact events or something. So yeah. Okay, thank you guys. Gold don't have a resistance area anywhere near, so your opinion helps a lot. Thank you, Jen. This is my opinion, okay? You can do whatever you want. If you want to go short, it's your call. It's not my trade. It's not my opinion, okay? But as I've said, can you share your view on British pound, Swiss franc? What about that market? Jan, please tell me your time frame as well. Okay, your time frame. Are you a bull or bear? Yeah. You want to sell? You want to sell? You want to buy? Yeah. Because if I don't know GBP, if I don't know your time frame, maybe I will take a look on 1 hour. You want 5 minutes, or you want 4 hours, you want daily, you want monthly. Okay, and yeah, 4 hour bearish. Okay, yeah, it has reached a supply zone here. 1.1379 as resistance, former high. I'm already in shorts. Okay. You are already in shorts. Okay, this sideways movement here, and yeah, it has reached this supply zone, supply area. But personally, I'm looking for confirmation inside of support zone, resistance zone, demand zone, supply zone. Okay, so right now I don't know if I'll have confirmation here on this market, because if we'll take a look on lower time frames, so lower time frames, yeah, the upside pressure is still high. So yeah, I need confirmation. I need something else. Gold, long-term idea. No. Please understand that everything here is only for educational purpose. Okay, I will not tell you what to do. Okay. If I have something, yeah, I will share my trade in the VIP group. And if you want to follow my trade, it's fine. But personally, I will not tell you what to do. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you what to do. So I will not share trading advices or signals or something like this. I'm sharing my trades. If you want to follow my trades and my management, yeah, like on Euro, Japanese yen today, yeah, okay. Today, and so this is my opinion about British pound, Swiss franc. Yeah, if it stays here above, below 1.1355 to retest, and maybe it could signal a potential exhaustion, potential overbought, and then maybe it could turn to the downside. But right now, yeah, it has reached the immediate demand zones, and it has rallied, okay, in the short term. So no, I don't have a setup to trade on this market right now. Also after this these sharp movements in both directions, guys. Okay, this is the thing. Yeah, the US inflation data had a big impact also here on British pound, Swiss franc. We had these sharp movements in both directions. Okay, thank you guys. I will end this session. Thank you guys, and I will come back later with something, with new high probability trades. Thank you guys. Bye.